You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
Okay, folks, this episode of DIYNate, we are shooting a view of how to replace your Honda Odyssey 2020 key fob battery. For starters, we will take the key out here, and now you got access to this part. And the battery, you're going to open from the top, this side that has the little switch on it. We're going to use a coin. It recommends using a coin and maybe wrapping it in a cloth. So we're going to try that following the instructions. Hopefully I'll include a shot of that so you can actually see what I'm doing here. But we're going to put that penny in there and see if we can separate this. There we go. Pops open. You want to be careful. It does say be careful with the buttons not to cause a problem. And then we are a CR2032 is the battery and the replacement. It is positive side up, so we know that's what it's going to be looking like. And we're going to see if we can get in there without causing any trouble. Okay, so we've got a screwdriver here now to get in there and pop this battery out. There's probably other ways you could do it, but I believe I'll be able to get in there and pop that battery out. So there's the circuit board. You want to be careful with that. And it is a CR2032. That is the battery that I'm going to be replacing. So I'll pop out a CR2032 battery. I will leave a link in the video description for anybody who might need their own replacement batteries. Popping my battery out there, CR2032. New battery is good to go. Just going to take that, slide it in the grooves if we can. So you're going to slide in to the front side like so. And we're going to go ahead and pop that back together. Make sure everything goes back in place. My parents' minivan, so I'm going to make sure I get it right for them. There we go. Now we're back together. I'm just going to put our key back in there. Let's go test it out and make sure it works. Okay, folks, so when we replaced our key fob battery, we did see a little red light come on, and that's probably a good sign. And now I can see that it's unlocking, so we know our replacement is good. If I lock it back, I can hear the door lock, and so that means we've fixed it. So we're going to go ahead and unlock our doors, and then we'll lock them. And as you can see, the keys are working. And we can now open our doors, there we go, without having to mess with it. So good news, we have fixed our key problem and we are good to go. You've been watching DIYNate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.